In the previous lecture, we have done the questions of the miscellaneous exercise of the complex numbers. Some of more questions of the miscellaneous exercise we are discussing today. In the question number 13 of the miscellaneous exercise is deleted, so remove it. The question number 14, we have to find the real numbers x and y. If x minus iota y and 3 plus 5 iota is equal to minus 6 is the conjugate of minus 6 minus 24. So conjugate of this, ये conjugate लिखेंगे इसके. We have to find the value of x and y, so that the product of these two is equal to the conjugate of this one. Now multiplying 3x plus 5x iota minus 3 iota y minus 5 iota square y minus 6 plus 24 iota, because if we take the conjugate, only the imaginary part, the sign of imaginary part changes, the sign of real part remain as it is. तो minus 6 ऐसे रहेगा, minus 24 जगह plus 24. It becomes 3x plus 5y because iota square is minus 1 plus iota 5x minus 3y minus 6 plus 24 iota on equating real and imaginary part. 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 6 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. Solve it and get the value of x and y as we have two equations. हम दो इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे and get the value of x and y. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 देखते हैं. इसके बाद 15 सिर्फ मॉडल्स निकालना है. 30 मैंने आपको बता दिया, कट है आपका. It is given x plus iota y whole cube is equal to u plus iota v, and we have to prove that u upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4 times of x square minus y square. This you have to prove. So take the left. We are given here x plus iota y whole cube u plus iota v, a cube, p cube, 3ab, a plus b, it's x cube minus iota y cube, 3x square y iota, 3x y square iota square is u plus iota. It's x cube, iota square is minus 3 x y square, iota is common, तो ये आ गया 3x square y minus y cube u plus iota v. On equating real and imaginary part, real part is here x square minus 3x y square is equal to u. Taking x as common, x square minus 3y square is equal to u. X square minus 3y square u upon x, and for the imaginary part 3x square y minus y cube is equal to v, or you can say y as common, 3x square minus y square is equal to v. 3x square minus y square is equal to v upon y. If you take the left hand side of the identity, we have to prove that is u upon x plus v upon y. U upon x is x square minus 3y square, 3x square minus y square. It's 4x square minus 4y square, taking 4 as common, 4x square minus y square, that is the right hand side. That you have to prove here. See the question number 17. It's a very important question. It is given that alpha beta are the different complex numbers. Both alpha and beta are the complex numbers, and mod of beta is equal to 1. Alpha and beta are complex number and mod of beta is equal to 1. We have to find the value of beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha conjugate into beta, their mode. This value we have to find out. Now since mod of beta is equal to 1, it means that its square is also equal to 1. It means that beta into beta conjugate is equal to 1. Since Product of complex number which is conjugate give you mod of square of complex number. ये property होती है, if you multiply a complex number with its conjugate, it equals to the square of the mod of the complex number. So consider this as first, this as second. Now beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha conjugate beta, इसकी वैल्यू में फाइंड आउट करनी है. Writing it separately, beta minus alpha in a mod. One is written as beta into beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate beta using second. Now beta minus alpha, taking beta as common, we are left with beta conjugate minus alpha conjugate, beta minus alpha, mod of beta, beta minus alpha whole conjugate in the mod. Now either we take the difference of conjugate of two complex numbers, or we take the difference of two complex numbers and then find its conjugate. It will have the same value, it means the same. Now beta minus alpha conjugate can be written as, its value is 1, this can be written as beta minus alpha. Why? Since z modulus of conjugate of complex number is equal to the modulus of the complex number. Beta minus alpha is the complex number. So conjugate of the modulus of the conjugate of the complex number is equal to the modulus of the complex number. Now beta minus alpha get cancelled here. The value is 1. ठीक है, see it for a minute. Now we discuss the question number 18 of the exercise of miscellaneous exercise. It is given that find the numbers of the non-zero integral solutions. Non-zero integral solution, that the answer must be in the integer form and it is not equal to 0. Of the equation 1 minus iota to the power x in the mod is equal to 2 to the power x. Now 1 minus iota is the complex number. The mod of complex number is given by sum of square of, we are imagining part in a square root, it becomes square root of 2 to the power x. So find the number non-zero integral solutions of 2 to the power half sorry, 2 to the power x 2 to the power x, and it is x is half, which is not an integer. Wait for this, there is some misprinting I am seeing here. 2 to the power half, 2 to the power x, and x is half. But half is not an integer, so क्या लिखेंगे? Therefore, it doesn't belong to I. Therefore, there is no non-zero integral solution. इसका कोई भी नॉन जीरो इंटीग्रल सॉल्यूशन नहीं आ रहा. ओके, कोई इसका आंसर एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है. सीधा क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 here. It is given a plus iota b, c plus iota d, e plus iota f, g plus iota h is equal to a plus iota b. हमें क्या प्रूव करना है? शो दैट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर c स्क्वायर प्लस d स्क्वायर e स्क्वायर प्लस f स्क्वायर g स्क्वायर प्लस h स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. तो हम दोनों तरफ मॉड ले लेते हैं. देयरफॉर मॉड ऑफ a प्लस आइटा b, c प्लस आइटा d, e प्लस आइटा f, g प्लस आइटा h, मॉड ऑफ a प्लस आइटा b. You can write it as a plus iota b in the mod, c plus iota d as mod, p plus iota f small and g plus it's a square plus b square in a square root. It is a square plus b square in a square root, c square plus b square in a square root, c square plus x square in a square root, and g square plus x square in a square root is equal to a square plus b square. Squaring both sides, what do we get? A square plus b square, c square plus d square, e square plus x square and g square plus x square is equal to a square plus b square, and that है to prove. ये हमें प्रूव करना था. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका, और बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. गिवन है 1 plus iota 1 minus iota to the whole power m is equal to 1. We have to find the least integral value of m. Again the least integral value of m. m की छोटी से छोटी वैल्यू जो कैसी हो, इंटीजर फॉर्म में हो. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्चुअली 1 plus iota 1 minus iota multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of the denominator, that is 1 plus iota whole power m. 1 plus iota whole square, 1 square minus iota square to the whole power m is equal to 1. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 1 plus 1 to the whole power m is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 iota square is minus 1 plus 2 iota upon 2. This one get cancelled, 2 with 2 get divided. So we get here iota to the power m is equal to 1. Iota to the power m is square root of minus 1. The value of iota is minus 1, means minus 1 to the power m by 2. And you can add in minus 1 to the power 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 is 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 is 1. Minus 1 to the power 4, 6 is 1. But we have to find the least integral value. That's why हम क्या ले रहे हैं minus 1 to the power 2. For यहाँ लिख देंगे least integral value of m. 1 की जगह क्या लेंगे minus 1 की power 2. Minus 1 की power 2 भी 1 है, minus 1 to the power 4 भी कैसा है 1 है. पर चूँकि लीस्ट वैल्यू चाहिए इसलिए हम क्या लेके चलेंगे minus 1 to the power 2 लेके चलेंगे. So therefore m by 2 is equal to 2. The value of m is 4. That's the least value integral value of the m. That's all about about this chapter. You have to complete all the questions. So do it clearly in your notebook. Okay. In the next lecture we start with a new chapter. Thank you.